Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 308 Allure. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, front and rear parking aids, along with this lovely glass panoramic roof above my head. You've also got dual zone climate control. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. So if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, have a good day.